How to drive more sales from Instagram. Did you know that Instagram has over 1 billion users according to Statista? Now just think about how many sales you are generating from Instagram. I bet you're generating a tiny amount of sales from Instagram, if not realistically, 0 sales. So how do you change that? Well, you could use ads, but that's expensive. So what else is left? Well, there are a few strategies that you can use that work. Tip 1, use Linktree. Linktree is a tool that you can put in your bio on Instagram, and you can link to multiple products and services that you're selling. This is especially useful if you have more than one thing that you're trying to monetize and sell. Best of all, it doesn't cost any money to use and you can get it for free. Tip 2, tell your users to swipe up. When you create stories, make sure you create stories promoting whatever you sell and intertwine them with educational advice. For example, I may be releasing 3 different stories on Instagram on SEO advice. My first tip could be around content, my second one around how to generate more links, and my third tip around on-page SEO. And you would want to give tactical advice in those tips. Now, right after the third story, I would create a fourth one saying, hey, if you just want me to do all this for you, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. Swipe up and we can end up helping you out. When you do this and a user swipes up, it'll take them to your website and you can collect a lead or sell them on a product right then and there. Tip 3, sell going live. Have you heard of Ty Lopez? You know that here in my garage is a Lamborghini guy. And did you know that Ty owns companies like Dress Barn and Pier 1? If you live in the United States, you've probably heard of at least Pier 1. They're a massive furniture company. How did he own those sites? Well, he would go live on social media, pitch people to be an investor in his ventures, and it worked. Going live is a great opportunity for you to get in front of your followers and pitch them. The more educational your content is, the better you'll be. But don't forget to integrate that sales pitch. There is nothing wrong with selling. And if you don't sell, you'll never generate any revenue. As my mom always would tell me as a little kid, if you never ask, you'll never receive. Tip 4, promote through a post. When you post on your wall, why can't it be about your product or your service? Even if it doesn't get as many likes or comments, that's okay. There's nothing wrong with selling. And if you're offering a limited time promotion, you'll find that it'll do even better. Just make sure your limited time promotions are really limited time instead of never ending promotions. If you need help with generating sales from Instagram, Meta, or any social network out there, or even with your digital marketing, check out my ad agency, NP Digital. We're really good at doing this for companies. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to help. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you for watching.